Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of lion's mane mushroom, what you can use it for, its wonderful benefits, its uses as well, and my own personal experience in using lion's mane mushroom for the past 2 months now. So the lion's mane mushroom is a wonderful medicinal mushroom that is known for its long flowing tendrils that resemble the mane of a lion. Hence why it's called lion's mane mushroom. But also, it's not just its appearance that set it apart. This particular mushroom is prized for its medicinal properties. And one of the most one of the most astounding benefits that I want you to know about this particular mushroom is its ability to boost, strengthen, improve brain function. And the studies also support that. I have a couple of main studies that I have linked in the description box below for you to check out at the end of the video. And what the studies have shown is that consuming lion's mane mushroom can improve memory and cognitive function, making it a popular choice for those looking to give their brain a boost and to improve their focus and concentration, also for students and also for people who have ADHD as well. But the benefits of the lion's mane mushroom don't stop right here. It's also been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, making it a great option for those looking to improve their overall health and wellness. So basically, you can get this mushroom in supplement form, you can get it as a tincture, you can get it as a powder. I personally used it as a grounded up powder that's already been the active compounds have already been extracted through a specific extraction method, and it's been grinded up into a powder. Some people also prefer to get it in tincture form. I wasn't able to get it in tincture form because I only take alcohol-free tinctures, and there wasn't a alcohol-free glycerin-based tincture. All the tinctures were made using alcohol, so if you're able to find any glycerin-based lion's mane mushroom tincture, I would highly advise you to go for the option as well. But I used the powdered form and it worked quite well for me as well, and I did also notice some great benefits to do with that. One thing that I did notice at the beginning, which was a little bit during the first week, there was a little bit of stomach upset, a little bit of bloating as well during the first week, which was quite normal because they do note that as one of the gentle side effects associated with lion's mane mushroom is your body is trying to get used to it. Usually for the first week or two, there is some sort of bloating associated with that. Also, I noticed that for the first week, I was feeling a little bit sleepier than usual. I slept more better, and then I was concerned because I actually was taking lion's mane mushroom to have the opposite effect, which was more of a looking for an energetic boost, looking for a memory boost as well. So I was concerned when it came to that, but as soon as I entered week 2, the sleepiness, the tiredness got taken away. I continued with my general dose, and then I was able to see the benefits when it comes to memory, cognitive function, focus as well, concentration, because I was taking it during exam times and I really wanted to see these benefits a couple of weeks before the exam started as I was studying. So this was my own personal experience. For the first week and a half, there was a little bit of a bloating going on. There was also a feeling of feeling the need to sleep more often as well. But as soon as I hit week 2, it totally went away. So as I said, you can get it in the tincture form, or you can get it in powder form. As one thing that I want you to know about this mushroom is that it is native to North America, Europe and Asia, and it's also been found growing on hardwood trees. Unfortunately, I have not been able to find lion's mane mushroom here in Finland. I have been able to find chaga, which is a native to Finland and Russia, and it is a wonderful medicinal mushroom that's used mainly for improving the health and the immune system in general, and the Finns here use it quite a lot. But lion's mane mushroom is quite hard to find, and if you are lucky to find it, then you can also use it as a alternative to any sort of meat dishes as well. It's also widely available in supplement form, so that really helps you to incorporate the benefits into your daily routine. Now, it's not advised for you to take lion's mane mushroom for more than 3 months, so please be careful and always consult your health practitioner. Let them know what kind of supplements you're taking, because everyone is different. Everyone has different health conditions, different tolerances as well. So you always need to make sure to consult your healthcare professional. And this information in this video is only for informational purposes only. Check out the studies linked in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.